All right, guys, let's underwrite another property. Let's see what are we gonna do today. What's a state? Nevada. Right, let's do Nevada. I know nothing about Nevada. Can I just put NV? No, Nevada. How come it's not coming out? There you go. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, wait, let me reset all filters. There you go. Is this not a thing? Okay. I guess over here. Let's go to this area. Okay, there's a lot going on here. Let's. Oh, this is a nice little box. Let's choose this one. Oh, that's land. Let's just do a single family. Make life easier for me. Not gonna lie. This one. Let's do it. Ooh, price cut. All right. We'll kind of make it happen with this one. Let me put in my prompt. This is the prompt I always, well, my underwriters use just to get some general stats that maybe my acquisition manager can use. I press send. While that's happening, I'm going to go to investor base, plug in the address. I'm going to go 10 miles for the last year. What kind of investor action are we seeing? It's probably a lot, I'm assuming, right? I know that people are always talking about Nevada. 49 to 17. 49 to 17. 49 to 17. Okay, let's go back to the property. Plug in this address. What's the square footage here? 321753. 1753. 32. What's the year bill on this one? 2017. Okay, newer house. Lot size. What's the lot size here? Lot size. Okay, small lot. Okay. Small lot, small lot. 8,000 square feet. Pictures, yes. Then we're going to go here, just in case we want to go back to it. Bang. Okay. Population. Let's see what we got here for population. Where are you? 45 to 50,000. Not a lot of people. Thought it would be more. Migration trend. I'm assuming up, right? People are leaving Cali. But let's see. Trend slow but steady growth. Yeah, that makes sense. Up. Okay. Like again, I always skip this. If you're gonna present this to someone, we're kind of filling it out. Retail sales in the last 6 months. What are we looking at here? Woo! So like 120, 130, let's say. Average. Let's see what that looks like. 215, let's say. Select buyers. I'm assuming retail, right? Homeowner. Yep, that makes sense. All right, let's see. I like doing the lump sum. Sometimes you could pull this off by the square feet. A lot of agents do that. Itemize if you really want to like lock in to what's the cost of each thing. You can go that route. Just like this is more of an experience thing. I kind of just can eye test it and for the most part be hit or miss $5,000-$10,000 plus or minus. House is in good shape. In 2017, it's probably going to be like I will say maybe a rip and replace kitchen. I don't like this kitchen at all. It's an ugly kitchen. Maybe that's the standard in that area, so then maybe you kind of keep it the same. But for the most part, everything's like Home Depot special. Um, okay, nothing crazy. For now, I'll keep everything the same. But yeah, I'll put $5,000. but it's gonna affect the ARV. I'm assuming there's gonna be white kitchens, really nice. If that's the case, then this house isn't that. I wonder if the guy's putting it for sale for that. Maybe that's the issue. Let's see though. I always make a copy. Wait, Okay. Put it right next to it. Okay. This property's here. So what I want to do is let me see if I can stay in this little pocket right here first. And then we'll go from there. Let's see if we can stay in this little rectangle trapezoid kind of thing first. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Are we looking in the last 14 days? Some action. Last 30 days, more action. Last 90. Okay. This looks like enough, especially here. So let's make sure there's just houses. Since we have a lot to work with, let's see if we can break it down even more. So bed bath has to be 3 bedrooms or more. Okay. 1.5. Okay, perfect. Let's go high to low. Excuse me, sorry about that, guys. Okay, what's the square feet? 1,700. Let's cap the square feet. Again, I normally, if there's a lot of comps to work off of, that's when I don't mind filtering down because there should be still enough to work with. Sometimes you don't have that luxury because there's not a lot of comps. So for now, it seems like they are. So 2,250 is the most I want to go. Okay. So now, okay, let's see year built. Let's cap it at 2021. This is fun. Nothing's funner than you being able to kind of really lock in on the on filters and there's still stuff out there. So this is great. So we're looking for a 3-2. So this is a 4-2, 3-2. Let's see if we can find like the perfect comp. Boom. Looks like we might have found it. What year were you built? Okay, 3 years younger. Has a almost like a 3-car garage, I guess. What do you have? You have okay. Still pretty close. Oh, this over 422. It's crazy. It's newer, same lot. Let's see. Let me see. This is nice. This is kind of what I was. Not that nice. My bad. I overshot. A little nicer. Not that much nicer. Does it have a pool? Anything? Okay. I wonder if it's. Let me see. Grow. Okay, so this is in the HOA, so I got to be careful. Good to know. So let me go back. How much time we got? Oh, we got time. We got time. Let me try to stay closer then, if that's the case, and just stick to these properties over here. Let me see if I can find something here because I'm scared now. Okay, found one right next to it. Okay, 400. What are you selling for? 320. Okay, let's see. This is similar. This is nicer. Okay, it is a nicer house. Okay, so this is a nicer house. I would say this right now is the ARV. Did you have like a pool or anything before? So you have a nicer backyard, jacuzzi thing. Okay. So this sold for 400 now. I'm assuming it didn't sell right away, right? ARV. Boom. Sold for 400. Let's see. How long did it take you to sell, sir? Newer. Okay. Okay, I mean, kind of not that bad. Well, 4 months ish. Yeah, 4 months. That's not bad. Okay, let's keep going. 3-2. Okay, there's another one. Let's see what you. Make sure you don't have like a. Do you have a pool or something before I? Okay, this is not. This is very basic. Okay, the bathrooms man, seems nice, a bit nicer, but nothing crazy at all. I'm 384, 2005, older. Right? Yeah. Okay. I mean, this is weird. I would almost consider this as an as is kind of comp. I don't know. I'll just put it for this right for now. I wonder if that's the outlier. Let's see. Are these outliers or is this the norm? Let me go to the bottom. 242. Okay, so 345. Let's see. Because this we're asking 320 and just got a price cut. So things ain't moving. We gotta check what's for sale. Okay, this is similar shape. So for 345. Yeah, I mean a little bigger, one extra bedroom, but still, I mean, not 345. It should be moving at 320, but now let's see why you're not moving at 320. Let's see at what's for sale. And let's see. So you're at 320. What are you competing with? Right? 3821. What are you competing with? I mean, there's a couple properties here, but you're the cheapest one. What's going on, man? Something we're missing? I think your price right. I mean, price cut, price cut, price cut. Oh, there it is. Okay. So no one's buying. It looks like price cut, price cut. Okay, so a lot of these got price cut. So I get it. Big price cut, smart move. That's what I would do. Let's see how long you've been listed for. Big price cut, so you're not chasing the market. Might as well get ahead of it. 107 days. Yeah. What are we missing here? Yeah, I think they got it actually. 320 is just price cuts everywhere. Not a lot of buyers. You want to be the best value, the best value. You have to be. So ARV, I'm thinking could be 380, but you got to fix up. You got to update a lot of it. Um, I'm probably gonna change this to 25, maybe 30 grand. You got to update stuff if you want to get, but I think 380. Um, and then the as is value, I'm probably gonna go to. I'm probably gonna go to as is. I'm probably gonna go to. Might have to go to 310, 315. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Confidence 2. How can you be confident? You're just guessing. ARV, I'm pretty good with that. So that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. My numbers are here. Yeah. See you guys on the next one.